Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025, celebrating 25 years at the Triple Tree Aerodrome. It is the 43rd annual Joe Nall. And folks, the weather is gorgeous. The winds are calm. The temperature is just soothingly comfortable. And before us, we've got an amazing jet here. This is a BDX. This is a what-if model, if you will. Meaning that what if they still made the BD5 jet? What would it look like today? And you can see one possibility here on your screen. So folks, sit back, relax. Please put your tray tables in the upright position and enjoy the flight. For the folks at home, when you hear someone yell a gear pass, what they're doing is they're checking to make sure the gear are down. They're preparing for landing. Oh, folks, that landing was buttercream goodness right there. Buttercream goodness. Because, folks, there's nothing smoother or sweeter than buttercream. Fantastic jet. Fantastic flight. All right, friends, more to come.